Hello, I'm Sue Grant from Berthon. Please join me for this whistle-stop tour of IRONBARQUE. Challenge 72. Here she is sailing. She's one of 11 of Chay Blyth's Challenge 72s, built to race against prevailing winds and currents around the world. This yacht is very up together. She has the conventional layout with 2 heads compartments, 2 upper and lower berth cabins, main saloon, nice galley. She's very friendly with electric winches and furling. She was in private ownership before these owners bought her. New standing rigging 2023. These 2 cabins have the option of 3 to 4. Skipper's cabin here. Chart table, mirror image on this side. And then we're going to go back into the main saloon. We're passing access to the machinery. Oilskin room. And here she is, epic, go anywhere, unbreakable.